Good morning and welcome. I just want to show you how you can pour over a failed piece. I did a piece and wasn't quite happy with it, so I scraped the paint off. You can scrape it off and save it for background on another piece. Or you can do what I'm doing. I'm just using the fresh colours back over it in a wiggly motion. I'm actually doing, this is the style that I think I did my first videos and my first attempt at acrylic art. I found this style I just loved. These particular paints were mixed and I was doing a previous pour using silicone, so these have got 1 drop of Helmar silicone. If you followed my art journey, you will know that I don't very often use silicone in my paints unless it's to get a specific look. So I had the silicone these paints and I really wanted to use them up, because if I go and use like one of the colours in a different piece that I don't want the silicone in, then it kind of can affect my whole painting. So I was going to see if I went back in time and did my old wiggles all over the canvas like I'm doing in that cerulean blue, viridian green, yellow, red, and this is my lovely berry delicious. And I will do a swipe over the lot and see if I get those gorgeous cells like I used to do. Of course, after you've tilted very gently, you tilt and let those colours slide over each other, and if the colours are just the right consistency, not too thick and not too thin, they will slide over each other and not go muddy. So let's see what happens. Wow, just look at those cells popping up. Yes, it's the definitely the silicone in the paint. You only need a few drops, and it definitely, if cells are what you're after, then this is the way. I'm using the heat wand. It bursts the air bubbles and it really does help bring those cells up. Woohoo! Back to the old days of a trillion wibbly wobbly alien cells. Like when I first started, I was doing this technique, and then of course I developed putting the balloon kisses in there, which have all been done before. There is nothing that hasn't been done before. We're not that special. It's all been done before. It's just that you haven't seen it done on the internet. So nothing new, just different ways of people doing same old things just in their own way, which is what it's all about. Rightio, that was just a quick one, finishing off the paints that had silicone, because I can't use those in any other techniques that I do, because it just is very hard to clean silicone off if you want to resin a piece, which can be done because I've done several, but I prefer not to use silicone. But that's what happens if you use silicone. Okay, my lovelies, thanks for joining me. I will be back tomorrow. Oh, look what I went and did. I was leaving it to dry and I thought I'm going to put a few balloon kisses. It wouldn't be Gilly if I didn't, but because it's got silicone in there where I've put the balloon kisses, normally they turn out really nice and crisp. They've kind of gone blobby because of the silicone, and this is another reason why I, don't personally like working with silicone anymore. Yes, I used to all the time. So for some things it's okay, but I'm not liking my balloon kisses. Maybe if I re-kiss back over those with the balloon now, it would come out crisper, but that is an absolute crazy wild rainbow downpour, isn't it? Rainbow starburst.
But I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now. 'Cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new